In this video, I'll show you how to deposit funds on Kraken. First of all, you need to log into your Kraken account. Then you need to click deposit right here. If you want to add money into your balance, you can go to the cash and choose the currency you want to deposit. Or you can just deposit the cryptocurrency from any other wallet, guys. But in this case, I will show you how to deposit, for example, USD, because it's the most popular currency. Now, when you choose the currency, you need to select the payment method. There are two types of methods. Swift, which takes 1 to 5 business days, 3 USD is the fee, and 4 USD is the minimum amount you can transfer. Also, we have got credit or debit card, which is instant, guys. You will deposit money instantly if you use credit or debit card, but there are some fees. 25 cents, which is fixed commission plus 3.75% fee, guys, and you can deposit up to $5K weekly. So you need to choose the method. For example, I will choose credit or debit card, and now you need to enter your card information right here. So enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Click on add cards. You may add up to 4 cards in a 30-day period of time. So you need to add your card. After that, you need to choose the amount you want to deposit, finalize the transaction, and in a few seconds, you can check your balance on your account. So right here, you will see your balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.